This video is a high-level overview of what's new at Ursa since the January 2023 AAS meeting in preparation for the June 2023 AAS meeting. If you go to the Ursa front page and go to past news, you'll see all the things that we've released since the January AAS meeting. We released a version of Ursa Viewer that has a way to do searches from an image or a table, as well as overplot multiple spectra in one chart. We released data from eHOPS, Deep Drill, and Forecast Cycle 0 from SOFIA. We released Roman DC2 simulated images from Troxel et al. We released ZTF Data Release 16. We released NeoWise 2023, which is about 2.5 million image sets and about 19 billion source detections. We released the Cosmos 2020 Classic Catalog and Farmer Catalog. The TEXES instrument as part of the IRTF archive here at Ursa. We had the ZTF Data Release 17, which includes 48.7 million images and 756 billion sources. We released yet another version of Ursa Viewer, which includes a variety of things, including new ways to add additional columns, new ways to rearrange the panels on the screen, and new ways to search from either the tables or the images. There's also a brand new tool, something called the Data Collection Explorer. It's the first release of a new tool that will eventually replace something called Atlas. Just about 24 data sets are available through the Data Collection Explorer now, but more data will be coming soon.